AP Calculus, AB, find the equation of the line tangent to F at the given point, and we're going to use the limit process. Kevin Lee. Remember that the definition is the limit as the limit of change of x approaches 0 of f of x plus change of x minus f of x all over change of x, right? From here, I'm going to fitba, fill in the blanks, and we're going to take, I have to write the limit again, the limit as the change in x goes to 0 of square root of x plus change in x, right? Minus square root x all over change in x. Anybody know what we're going to use here? You know what we're going to use here? I'm not going to partition. I'm going to use a conjugate. Difference of, I'm going to make this into difference of squares. Check this out for a second. It works really, really well. When you see something weird like this, Danny, this is usually something really obvious looking at you. It's this minus this. So if I do this, if I do x plus change of x plus square root of x plus change of x plus square root of x all over square root of x plus change of x plus square root x. Stay with me for just a second. This is the conjugate of that, isn't it? The numerators are conjugates of each other, right? What I want you to avoid doing is distributing the numerator of the first term into the second one. Don't do that. But look what you're going to get. When you multiply these things out, whoops. When you multiply these things out, you're going to get this thing squared minus this thing squared, aren't you? Can you see it? So what you're going to end up getting after you expand this is you're going to get x plus change of x minus x all over, check me out for a second. This is why I said don't distribute this change of x. Square root of x plus change of x plus square root x. Right? Remember, this is the limit as the change of x approaches 0. So far, so good? Joel, you good? I'm going to clean this up a little bit. X minus x is 0, isn't it? You see this change of x over this one? More specifically than cancel, what does this turn into? 1. So I end up with a 1 on the top. And this goes to 1, doesn't it? See that? Remember, our whole goal here, Danny, is that we want the change of x to go to 0, but we have to keep paying attention to make sure that we don't end up with a factor of change in x. But this would not be a factor of change in x, would it? So we can take this limit. So take limit and simplify. So I'm going to get 1 over square root of x plus 0 plus square root of x. Danny, can you see that x plus 0 is just x, isn't it? And we would have how many of them? 2. So we have 1 over 2 square roots of x. That's not that bad, is it? And I think we were given the point 1, 1, 1, 1, which would make the slope 1/2. So f prime at 1 equals 1/2. Back to point slope theorem. Y minus 1 is equal to 1/2 x minus 1. Am I doing all right? Well, this worked out a little bit differently than I thought, to be honest with you. I think I had the wrong. So what are you going to get here? We're going to get 1/2 x minus 1/2, right? Y minus 2/2. See what I'm doing here? So what's our final answer going to be? Right? I'm going to add 2/2 to both sides. We're going to get y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1/2. Yeah, you can pull it out. You don't have to, but you could pull it out. If on the exam they ask you to write an equation, I would leave it. All right?